Greetings and hello, this is Phil Thompson with StreamingChurch.tv. Thank you for using StreamingChurch.tv for all your streaming video needs. Today we're going to show you how you can set up your social streaming if you have a StreamingChurch.tv Platinum account. You have to have a Platinum account. To do that, go over here to the left and you want to click on like Streaming Page. And from there you want to go over to social streaming. Here are three places you can do some streaming where if you stream online with us, it will automatically take it over to not only your website, but to Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube. Twitter you have to pay for, and Twitter is no longer Twitter. It's called X. But what you want to do is you want to be able to find your server URL, like in this case for Facebook, and the stream key. So a couple things you do need to be aware of. First of all, up here is where you would click to get access to your page. So you need to be able to be logged in advance. You have to have access to your church Facebook page. You have to be an admin to be able to do this. And like if I click on this right now, this is my own page. So that ain't gonna work. We don't want to stream to my own page. So, but if I have access to my church's page, then this would work. Same way with Twitter, X, and YouTube, of course. So a couple things to know. First of all, when you do get access to your church page, to get these credentials to drop into the server URL and stream key, you need to make sure you put a title and description in. You need to make sure the audience is public from the Facebook page, and you can schedule it if you want to do that. Also, you need to know that your church's Facebook page needs to have at least 100 followers, and the Facebook page needs to be public for at least 60 days. So again, you have to have access to, as an admin, to your Facebook, your Twitter account, your YouTube account to be able to get those credentials. You would drop them in there, and then when you start your stream, up here at the top is what we call a confidence monitor. And if you start your stream, you'll see the stream up here, and then you can click start. Like for instance, if you're using Facebook, click start, and you'll go right to Facebook as it goes to your website. Same can be true for these other platforms as well. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at StreamingChurch.tv.